Start with changing unhealthy habits to healthy ones and make them your favorites. Sahara Andres. As a teenager, we may think of things like how you can make yourself healthy, similar to what we see on the internet. But getting started may be hard for people who lack of self-discipline.
So here are four things we can do in order to achieve a healthy lifestyle.
Drink plenty of water. It is important to keep your body hydrated, especially if you want to be healthy. According to the experts, an average person must drink 11 to 16 glasses of water a day, 7 to 9 hours of sleep at night. Put away gadgets 2 hours before you sleep, and develop routines that helps you relax. Unwinding yourself from your gaming and daily activities is important for you to get a high quality of sleep. Exercise. Being physically active can improve your brain health, help manage weight, reduce the risk of disease, strengthen your bones and muscles, and improve your ability to do everyday activities. Develop your personal relationship. Having someone by your side, talking, chatting, and laughing help us stay positive at all times. In addition, many studies reveal that a person who has a lot of social interactions is less likely to die prematurely.
And those are the four ways to achieve a healthy lifestyle. That's it for Group 4, and thank you for listening.